Air conditioning helped people settle in hot climates. This is a well-known fact. This guy was talking about the South. I wasn't specifically talking about the South. I was specifically talking about Arizona and other places that are actually hot. Sure, the South is hot, but not 118 degrees hot like Arizona, the desert of California, Nevada, and then Redding up here. It's a well-established fact that air conditioning helped people settle in Arizona and Florida and other very hot climates. For instance, this is a population of Arizona. Now, obviously, there were people living there prior to mainstream use of air conditioning. However, by the 60s, when people really started using air conditioning, you can see the population explosion that occurred once air conditioning started blowing into all of the buildings. Similarly with Florida. Florida was not a high population state, but with air conditioning as well as a lot of other things, they were able to dramatically increase their population over just a few decades. Now, in the same video that this guy's whining about, I do mention the South, saying that one of the ways that the people cooled down their homes prior to air conditioning was by having big balconies like this in New Orleans, which is the South, because there's lots of different ways to passively cool your home. Another variation of this in the South is having these covered porches, so the actual portion of the home never actually sees direct sunlight, at least not very long direct sunlight, because it's being covered and protected. This is Mount Vernon, George Washington's house, and you can see that he has that, but then also he has a cupola up here. Now, these windows could be opened, and then opening the doors at the bottom of the house, all of the hot air which rises would then leave that and help have a natural cooling effect, thus passively cooling the home. And courtyards helped passively cool homes before the invention of air conditioning.